Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet El Camino. Beautiful car, guys. It's just a couple-year-old frame-up restoration. Really nice truck, man. It's a clean Virginia body. It's finished in Marina blue. This is original color. This is a factory Muncie 4-speed truck. Super cool. They've done it to look like a Super Sport. Of course, they didn't produce a Super Sport in '66, but it's got the SS hood on it. It's also got the SS gauge cluster in it with a knee knocker tach, which is super cool. But very nicely done truck, man. Bottom of the truck's nice. Slick paint. Truck runs and drives excellent. I don't know if you want to call it a truck or a car, kind of the old debate. This is your original SUV, I would say. But great little truck, man. I love the 4-speed. They've got disc brakes, power steering. It's got an era correct 396 motor in it, and just really nicely done. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the truck. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Paint's super slick. Gorgeous, gorgeous car though. Again, it's got the SS hood. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I really apologize, man. I know we're down to about 6 cars actually fully advertised on our website. I mean, it's that time of year, guys. We're busier than heck. We're selling them before we can actually even advertise them. But if there's ever something on the site that says sneak peek or coming soon, give the guys a call. They'll if it's here, they'll actually snap you more pictures of it. You can see how nice the stainless is. They've done that rock guard on the bottom of the bed, which is super nice because it's actually usable. It's just nothing, just a little dirt or something, a little drip of something, guys. And a scratch. Not a whole lot to really pick at on the truck, man. Just straight as can be down the sides. It's got 15-inch Americans all the way around there. Cooper Cobra rubber. And like you say, you want to talk about a nice driving truck? This thing just hits the road outstanding. Truck sits good. Like I say, that 4-speed is super cool, and I love the color combination. It's Marina blue with the white. Does have front disc brakes. Again, this is an era correct motor. It's a 66, 67, 396 cubic inch engine. Again, it is a factory Muncie 4-speed. Holley dual feed 4-barrel, stock intake. It's got headers on it, power steering, power front disc brakes. Truck's detailed up nice underneath the hood. Pretty truck. New mirrors, new door handles. Truck is just super clean. Bucket seats, got the correct floor shifter. It's got an Ididit tilt column with a sports steering wheel. It's just getting ready to actually turn 54,000. That's supposed to be the original miles. AM/FM radio. There's your knee knocker tach. Oh, and it's got the SS gauge cluster in it. Dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end. It's 323 limited slip gear. Clean truck, guys. Want to put that up, Jay? Got it up in the air, took some good pictures of the underside for you. Truck's nice and flat down the sides. Bucket seats are nice. Again, that's the factory T-handle shifter. Shifter. Gauges are nice. Steering wheel's brand new. That knee knocker tach is super cool. Nice little cam to it. Truck runs out great. Fuel gauge works. Tach works. Parking brake does work, guys. Well, that motor sounds good, man. Radio's working. Blower motor? Yep. Does work. Well, that motor just hits a lick, man. Great sounding cam in it. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That cam just talks to you.